wrongful death case, you've got damages that are awarded the value of how the person valued their own life. So it's the value of a person's life from their own perspective. And Georgia is unique in that there's not a lot of states that look at wrongful death damages that way. So you've got the estate claim, which the estate claim would be funeral expenses and things that are liabilities of the estate. But then you have the value of the life claim, the wrongful death claim. And the wrongful death claim is viewed from the decedent. So how did I value my life? What was the value that I would place on my life? And, obviously this is something that jurors struggle with. How do you put a number on something like how you value your own life or how another person valued their life? And in Georgia, the standard is it's basically the enlightened conscience of the jury. What does that mean? The enlightened conscience of the jury. It really basically means whatever it is that the jury thinks is a fair representation of how a person valued their life is an appropriate number. And so that creates scenarios where you have a wide range of verdicts. If you have malpractice that robs someone, let's say it's in their later years, but it robs them of being able to spend those last few years of their life the way they would have wanted to. That is one kind of case, and we approach those kind of cases a certain way. If you've got a case involving, a young mother who dies in childbirth, how you approach the value that she was placing on her life and what she was looking forward to is a different assessment, and it's a different perspective. I've handled cases involving wrongful death of children all the way up to folks in their 90s, and there's always something very central to that about the individual person and how they lived their life and their plans for the future that we really try to focus on so the jury can understand who was this person and so they're not just a name. We really try to help a jury connect with the full person and who they were and what that person lost, if they unnecessarily lost their life.